Hey everybody, here is my Clever page, Miss Unruh's Clever page. Go there and here are some things for you to try. First of all, you'll notice that I do have the library catalog there, and if you know how to log in with your student number and initials, you too can open an ebook and listen to it. Also, on my Clever page is Symbaloo, if you just want to click on one of those links. And then there's the library choice board. So go there to see a funny way to get your reading done. It's interesting and makes it a lot more active. And so there is my page and the library choice board. Now going back to my Clever page here. Let's see here. Then there's the World Book Online button, and there is the username and password right there. We'll use Flipgrid later. I thought maybe we could use that as a way for you to record what you're reading, but we'll do that later. I'll give you the code when the time comes. And then I want to call your attention to my Epic page. Your teacher may be using Epic, but you can also use my page if you want to. And I believe I put my code there. Yeah, there it is. So you can go there and read a book. There's an interesting kind of a scary chapter book called, let's see, I always have to look it up. Lost in the Dark. It's called Lost in the Dark. So go to Epic and look for that book, and that's a good read. Now I do have a question for you. Montana has a state bird, a state tree, and a state flower. What is the Montana state insect? Go to a World Book, log in, and look up Montana and see if you can find out. You can answer me on my Remind page. If you're not on the app, I'll include for your teacher the code that you can text to go there. And if that doesn't work, just hold that thought and we'll talk later. Thanks for checking in with me. There's World Book. You log in with Helena 11 and student. And now back to my Clever page, and I'm going to say goodbye for now. Talk to you later.